Hey, it's Josie with Affirmation Pod, and this is where you get soothing affirmations to help you gain calm, gain clarity, and gain confidence. Welcome to new listeners. Welcome again to returning listeners. Could we take a moment and just examine for a second where our stress levels are at? What number would you give it if 0 is stress-free and 10 is through the roof? Depending on the season of life or what's on your plate from day to day right now, it can be easy or it could be really hard to just simply sit and breathe. No agenda, no mental exercises, just sit and breathe. And that's what today's episode is for, helping you during those times. So now let's ground ourselves. Let's center ourselves. You can picture in your mind a really relaxing scene, or imagine the smell of something that just really puts you at ease. Noticing your breath. Join me now for these affirmations. I'm here. I'm becoming fully here. And I'm now fully present. My needs matter. I am here to be present. I'm here to collect myself. I'm here to reset the pace. I am sitting. And breathing. As I do this, I am relaxing and regrouping. I breathe in peace. I breathe out tension. I release all that is out of my control. I allow my breathing to anchor me. I am sitting and breathing. I am feeling more empowered and refreshed. I am more at ease with every breath. Stress flows out of me with every exhale. Peace and clarity flow into me with every inhale. I am sitting and simply breathing. I align with the rhythm of every breath. I feel more ease and more calm every time I sit and breathe. I know I've mentioned this in many episodes of Affirmation Pod, but Affirmation Pod is available 24 hours a day, morning, noon, or night, anytime you need it. So if you're ever in a space where something in you says, sit and breathe, you can go to this episode 565, if you want to remember it, episode 565, for sitting and breathing. Thank you to those of you who've signed up for my coaching waiting list. In case you missed it, last week I mentioned that for the first time in a long time, I will have some coaching spots available soon. If that is something that interests you, then come sign up for the waiting list at affirmationpod.com/coaching. That's affirmationpod.com/coaching. If you want to listen to this episode for sitting and breathing, add an announcement free. That's what premium access members are able to do. Premium access members get all the episodes of Affirmation Pod with no ads and no announcements, plus bonus episodes. There are over 100 of them now. Some oldies but goodies are affirmations for self-soothing, calming trauma triggers, the grounding meditation, getting back in the moment, also the 10-minute walking meditation. Again, these are all available for premium access members. Find out more or join today by going to affirmationpod.com/join. That's affirmationpod.com/join. Hey, it's Josie here. Thanks for listening today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and feel free to play another episode right now.